Indian batting stalwart Shreyas Iyer has missed out on another opportunity to make his comeback for the Indian T20I side, as the Asia Cup 2025 squad has been announced without any trace of Shreyas. India has announced their squad for the much-anticipated tournament, the upcoming Asia Cup 2025. With Shubman Gill making his comeback and his appointment as the vice-captain of the side, every report seems to be bang on. Suryakumar Yadav is reportedly fit and will continue as the skipper of the side. Several calls have seemed controversial, however, of them, the snub of informed Indian batters Shreyas has taken the internet by storm, and fans have been left infuriated despite some explanation from the Indian selectors. The right-handed batter's entry blocked the way for Shreyas Iyer, who was a strong contender for a spot in the team. Iyer made headlines with his brilliant captaincy in IPL 2024, where he guided Kolkata Knight Riders to the title, followed by taking Punjab Kings to final in 2025. Also, he has been one of the stars of Indian cricket in recent years, ever since he returned to the ODI setup from the 2023 ICC ODI World Cup. He was one of India's major pillars in the middle order and was the highest run getter in the ICC Champions Trophy of 2025. Despite such strong batting performances from Iyer, he has seemingly missed out on several big games, especially as the batter has been unfortunate to not feature for India in 80-20I games since 2023. After a strong show in the IPL and the domestic games with Mumbai, Iyer was finally hopeful to make his comeback into the Indian T20I side for the Asia Cup. However, the squad announcement found his name nowhere alongside Yashasvi Jaiswal, another deserving name who has missed out on selections. Speaking on Iyer's omission, Agarkar said, "It's very unfortunate for Yashasvi Jaiswal. With Abhishek doing well, he can bowl as well. One of the two was going to miss out, same with Shreyas, not his fault. With respect to Shreyas Iyer, who can he replace? It's no fault of his, but neither ours." Iyer continued to dominate ODI cricket this year, finishing as India's top run getter and overall second highest run getter in their CT 2025 title win, scoring 243 runs in 5 matches and innings at an average of 48.60 with 2 half-centuries and a best score of 79.
This is Extra Time! Extra Time!